Hey, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start using Friend.Tech on your desktop, your laptop, your computer, instead of having to do it on your phone. Now, I'm doing this on the Chrome web browser on a MacBook, but the exact same process also works for Mozilla, Brave, and other web browsers on other operating systems as well. After you go to the website, which is Friend.Tech, what you're going to want to do is hit F12, which is going to open up the developer tools. And another way you can navigate to this is by right-clicking and hitting the inspect button, and it's going to pop up as well. Now, this is a little bit complicated, but what you're going to want to do is hit on these three dots here in the top right hand corner and then hit run command. Here, what you have to do is type in show network conditions. You don't have to actually type the whole thing. It's going to show up down here in the options. Click on that, and this is going to open up down here this panel, which is going to allow you to change the user agent. And this is what we have to modify to be able to use this on our laptops or desktop computers. And what you have to do is uncheck the use browser default and paste in a custom user agent here. So I'm pasting in the custom user agent text, and I'm going to put this exact text down in the description of this video. So just copy paste it and put it in this line here. And what this is doing, it's making the app identify your computer as an iPhone, which is bypassing the restriction that previously forced you to download it on your phone. So this way you can use it on your computer. And the only other thing you have to do now is refresh the web page and you'll be able to use it. And this is my Krypto Cove Friend.Tech room where I take requests on how to do things in the world of crypto. Hopefully you found this useful. Good luck. And if I have any Friend.Tech invitation codes left, I'll throw them down in the description as well. See ya.